If you need to replace headlight bulb on your Kia Rio and save some money, keep watching. Turn your lights off. Turn your ignition off as well. Pull the key out. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe. Okay, let's remove the back headlight cover by turning counterclockwise like that. Very easy. Open, as you can see, there's an arrow. Now we're removing the electrical connector. Pull that black connector part out. Don't pull the wires. Here we go. Nice and easy. Next, let's get released retainer clip and lift it up a bit. And now we're able to remove the light bulb. As you can see, it will only fit in one position. Remember how it was installed. Don't touch a glass part of the light bulb with your fingers. Use a rubber gloves or just be careful. Okay, let's put a new one in. Same way as we remove the old one. Place the headlamp in. Put a retainer clip back. Make sure it's locked. And put a electrical connector back as well. Good. Okay, now time for the cover. Put the cover back by turning clockwise. That's it. All in. And now go and check your lower and high beams. If this video was helpful, please thumbs up. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. And see you next time. Bye bye.